Hi, my name is Julianna, and today I'm gonna show you how to make team bows. First you need to buy a glue gun and the glue stick that goes with it, and get some scissors, some
That's called tulle.
tulle, rubber bands, a soccer ribbon, and a green ribbon. We have a white ribbon, and we have green because that's my team color. First, what we did was we cut the ribbons, and they're all different lengths. Now we're going to stack them on top of each other. Now we're going to fold the tulle in half to make it the same size as the soccer ribbon. Then we're going to take the white ribbon over it like that, and that's what is going to wrap around the rubber band. Now we're going to glue with the glue gun onto the white ribbon. I'm having an adult do it because it gets very hot. Then after that's together, you cut off the extra ribbon